Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm Dan, and today is Friday, April the 10th, 2020. It's about 2:45 p.m. It's 70 degrees Fahrenheit with a wind chill of 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and the humidity is 34% here in East Texas. And I say wind chill because there's a cold front. Here in a couple of days it'll get down into the 40s at night, hopefully, and I was really hoping we'd get another front. Sorry for all you northerners up there, but it's been really hot mowing the lawn and I've been sweating a lot. So one last treat, and I'm going to take advantage of it. So this is the Cutout bees hive, and I took off the super. There really isn't much going on with that. I was surprised. And remember all those hive beetles that I had from that cutout? Well, here's the beetle blaster, and this sucker is full of beetles. So they absolutely work, okay? Beetle barns are good also. I have corn oil in mine. Some people use diatomaceous earth. I don't want that in my hive. But anyway, let's see what's going on here. Okay. See if they're building anything out here. I can get in here. They're going to let me pick this up. There were more bees out earlier. And this is take 2. So let's see what they're doing here. Oh yeah. Okay. They're building this out nicely. Okay, let me get behind the camera here so y'all can see this. All right. These bees sure are flighty on this comb. But anyway, this is unwaxed foundation from Man Lake. It's Right Sail Foundation. I don't use unknown wax in my hives. And as you can see, they're building it out just fine. All right, there's a lot of pollen in this frame. This is the outer frame. A little closer so y'all can see. Alright. This one back. Let me flip it back around. If you're nice and gentle, I mean, these bees are a little bit hyper anyway. But if you're nice and gentle and you don't bump your bees, they behave a lot better. All right, girls, watch out. Kind of a tight spot here. Not sure how I feel about these cutout bees yet. All right, we'll let you see that there. I'm looking in these cells and they're filling them up with nectar, if you can see. Okay, I don't know if you can see the glisten. Just trying to move these girls off so you can see the comb. Sheesh, there's so many bees. All right, you can probably see the nectar better on this side. I'm actually gonna move this frame up. And that'll draw them up. This is just nectar. So I'm not cutting off the brood or anything. Okay. All right, now this one has brood. If you can see the brood pattern in there a little bit, trying to get it to where I'm looking as y'all look. I'm looking through the camera. All right, that's the end there. There we go, there's some brood there. Brood cells, cat brood cells. I know I'm not really moving them out of the way. I just hate it when my bees drop. All right. That's full of brood too. See all those brood cells underneath the bees. There's nectar there too. Alright, I'm going to put this girl back in. I'm actually going to move this frame because there is some pollen in this one here. And I'll just put it right next to the brood. All right. Whew, my back. I strained my back about a week ago, so I'm not used to leaning over like this. Well, over a week ago. Oh, that sucker's heavy. Yeah, look at that. I have to fix that. Okay. Y'all can see this. See how they have that cone messed up right there? I'm going to have to fix that. I'm not going to do it today. But, and that there, that isn't a queen cell, if y'all can see it. There it is, okay. That isn't a queen cell. Okay. Just not my camera. Alright. But anyway, all this is brood. All that's brood. And I really don't feel like knocking these bees off. And you can see better right there where they've messed up that comb. And is that a queen cell in there? It's a queen cup. Nothing in it. Ooh, I'm dropping nectar. But I'm dropping sweat in my eye. That right there, let me come over. That right there is a queen cup, but there isn't anything in it. Okay, I'm going to put this back. Trying not to roll these girls. I have yet to see the queen in this hive, but I know she's there. So anyway, I know it's been a while since I've posted anything, and I just wanted to show y'all that. And so the cutout hive is alive and well. And I'm really surprised at how calm they are today. The last time I got into this hive, they were really runny on the comb. But anyway, I hope y'all have a good day and happy Easter, and y'all stay safe out there. Bye-bye.